Justin, louiet13. Two boxes of 2024 Prizm LIV Golf. You see they have impeccable LIV Golf coming out? Alexiar. Do not cut down the middle. Did you get your package yet, Justin? No, I doubt it, right? Because it went out on Thursday, I think. Your package is funny. You got Kazuma, Lee, Na, and Vincent. Bubba Watson, silver. Caleb Surratt. All right. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, got a white autograph. Henrik Stenson, silver. We got a green. Charles Howell, Paul Casey, DeChambeau, and Lahiri. 10 of 54. Nice. Aces, Cam Smith. Bryson DeChambeau. Luis Ustuisen. 106 of 199. I'm pretty sure I've heard how his name is pronounced correctly, and I'm pretty sure I forgot it over the course of the years. Oh, this is just a white sparkle. Dustin Johnson. Got Paul Casey, DeChambeau, Lahiri, and Charles Howell. 278 of 299 to go with your green card. Another green. Bryson DeChambeau, captain, silver. Kieran Vincent, silver rookie. Sergio Garcia, green. 3 of only 18 in the world. 3 times 18 is 54. Boom. Look at that. Card number 101. So I'm making albatross. Hey, I did it on my Nintendo Switch the other day. I did a hole-in-one. Dustin Johnson. John Ram. Lee Westwood, red rookie. 25 of 149. All right, let's see what this white Prizm autograph is. Let's see if we can recognize the autograph first. Boom. Something 2. Is that DJ? Boom. Cameron Smith. It really says Cameron Smith on there? No way. That cannot say Cameron Smith on there. 5 of 36. Son Jeffrey. Wii Sports. Or Switch Sports. Nintendo Sports, Wii Sports, whatever it's called. What's up? Ugly. Yeah, it says arguably the top player in the world out of Australia. All right, box number 2. Nice. What a card. That must have been a good card then. Ken Smith must have been a good card. Huge card. One hell of a box. Nice. See? Just because you pulled the color bass doesn't mean the stuff is dead, right? No, I'm good. I don't need to go live more. Ian Poulter. Junichiro Kozuma. Blue rookie. $35.99. Another blue. First we got Peters, Yulin, Wolf, and Watson. Number Carlos Ortiz, silver rookie, and Dominance blue, Mark Leishman. Nice. 11 of 99. So that goes into the, oh, we'll do it after that. That goes into the Instagram story. The LIV Golf logo. Brendan Grace. Paul Casey. Crushers. John Ram. Tyrell Hatton, silver rookie. Ian Poulter, captains. 7 of 299. Aces, Dustin Johnson. Ooh, these two gotta have our rookie. I mean, our autograph. Oh, Green Mojo. Green Mojo autograph. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Cameron Smith, silver rookie. Joaquin Neiman, not numbered. And Paul Casey. I think I recognize the autograph because I've only ever had one here in the store. And if that's true, that's numbered to 54. That is true. Kevin Na. Range Goat, silver, and Henrik Stenson. That is numbered 4 of 199. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Numbered 1 of 54. Bryson DeChambeau. Very nice. And nice. And nice. Very nice. Good stuff. We still got, I think there's 5 here and 3 outside or something like that, or less than 3 or something. But we still have LIV Prizm. There's Series 2 Hockey, Black Diamond 007, Series 2 Marvel Cinematic, Prospect Edition, Allure Hockey, Goodwin Champions. We got a lot. And you guys have the Discord.